Welcome to the demonstration of the two fair value gap system and the super scalper. They're both two fair value gap. I'm using ChatGPT to generate three random dates for us to backtest. That way you could see me, use it on random days, not days that I know what's going to happen. And we're going to go to market open. So this is two indicators I've created for this scalper and the two fair value gap sniper. The two fair value gap has the blue areas that you see on the chart. Those blue areas are support and resistance zones. As you can see, price goes up to it. The market, the market open volume, which is like the biggest volume for the day, right? And it got resisted at these zones. And that was a 5-minute zone, right? All right. It bounced down, and we are now waiting for an entry to get into this trade, right? And we're going to use a scalper tool to find another two fair value gap play to get into this trade. All right. So we're kind of waiting for the trend to form. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it going sideways? So we're going to try and follow the trend with this indicator. And you will see in a second or two here when it goes off where the market is going. Any day now, any day, any day. All right, there we go. We had an indication. It looks like it's for a sell, so we're going to put in a sell. Oops, I put a buy instead, but you know what I'm trying to do here. So we're going to wait for price to come up. We would be in a sell here, and then we're going to take it down to break of structure and TP at break of structure. Hit the wrong button. So, but you know what I'm trying to do here. So we would sell here, break the structure. Let's go to a different day. Different day. So we're gonna go to the next date selected by ChatGPT. Market open. All right, the pre-market stuff we kind of ignore on the 1 minute, but as you can see on the 5 minute and the 15, these zones are being respected, especially that blue border around the green border around the blue area, which I think this is the 5 minute. It's hard for me to see here on this back testing recording zone area. But yeah, initially it bounced off of it, went up to like a 50-minute zone, bounced down from there. And it's the accumulation manipulation, right? As ITC type indication, training tells us. But where is it going to bounce from? Where is it going to sell from? Boom. This is the indicator that tells you, what's happening. So this is what's happening. And as you can see, it definitely supported these levels, right? So the yellow zones, that's pending. That's more additional stuff we're working on here. All right, soon to come. Uh, so here we go. We got to sell. I'm gonna put a sell in this time, right? And we're gonna put a sell order in after it retaps that zone at that white line. It's taking its time, but it's gonna get there. The indicator disappeared, but that blue line kind of stands out that says the play is still pending here. Yeah, there's a time factor with this play as well. It's gonna play out or not. All right, so we're still going with the first play. It's green right now, but we're sticking with the first play. We're gonna sell here, and we're expecting at least the break of structure down here, which we just got. There we go. And then we just sell right there for profit. All right, we're gonna test another day here, the last day. Chat GPT suggested. All right, Chat GPT. 29. Okay, let's go. Market open. And usually this indicator works better, I believe, at night and in the afternoon. But for this back testing, we want to show you that it's also effective during market open, right? Which is when most people trade. When most people trade. All right, so here we go here. You know, if we're ignoring the pre-market stuff. We want to see what volume is respected during the daytime. All right, so we got a golden zone with additional green area around it, right? So it's a combined in our system. So it came back here, tapped the golden zone, and then so we bought into it, and we're looking for the break of structure up top. We got the break of structure up top. We're going to move our stop loss to that area, and now it's a trade. It's a free trade here because we're already in profits. and then we can trail it up as we see fit here, right? And generally, if I'm trailing it, I would have one runner, and I would take some profit at the breaker structure. All right, thank you. Just sign up for our WAP or join the mentorship. Thank you.